strengthened your heart by formula of 80. 1. Control your lower blood pressure under 80 mmHg. 2. Control your pulse rate below 80 per minute. 3. Control your fasting blood sugar below 80 mg. 4. Keep your abdominal circumference below 80 centimeters. 5. Control your bad cholesterol less than 80 mg. 6. Walk 80 steps/minute, 80 minutes. 7. Eat 80 guineas or 80 calorie food. 8. Do 80 cycles of pranayama. Day. Avoid alcohol, but if one does, do not consume more than 80 ml in a day. 10. Avoid noise less than 80 decibel. Research suggested, in routine checkup, just go for arterial scan, which is non-invasive to find out whether we are suffered from any blocks. No need to do angiography. If blocks found below 80%, go for McLeod medicinal course for 3 months. No need for surgery. Dr. Sanjay, 93232758869, prevention cardiologist. Possible health benefits of consuming black beans. Number 1. Maintaining healthy bones. The iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc in black beans all contribute to building and maintaining bone structure and strength. Calcium and phosphorus are important in bone structure, while iron and zinc play crucial roles in maintaining the strength and elasticity of bones and joints. 99% of the body's calcium supply and 80% of its phosphorus stores are contained in bone, which makes it extremely important to get sufficient amounts of these nutrients from the diet. Number 2. Lowering blood pressure. Maintaining a low sodium intake is essential to lowering blood pressure. Black beans are naturally low in sodium and contain potassium, calcium, and magnesium, all of which have been found to decrease blood pressure naturally. Be sure to drain and rinse canned black beans to reduce sodium content. Number 3. Managing diabetes. Studies have shown that type 1 diabetics who consume high-fiber diets have lower blood glucose levels, and type 2 diabetics may have improved blood sugar, lipids, and insulin levels. 1 cup, 172 g, of cooked black beans contributes 15 grams of fiber. 8. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends 21 to 25 grams of fiber per day for women and 38 to 38 grams per day for men. Number 4. Warding off heart disease. The black beans' fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin B6, and phytonutrient content, coupled with its lack of cholesterol, all support heart health. The fiber in black beans helps lower the total amount of cholesterol in the blood and decrease the risk of heart disease. Vitamin B6 and folate prevent the buildup of a compound known as homocysteine. When excessive amounts of homocysteine accumulate in the body, it can damage blood vessels and lead to heart problems. The quercetin and saponins found in black beans also aid in cardioprotection. Quercetin is a natural anti-inflammatory that appears to reduce the risk of atherosclerosis and protect against the damage caused by low-density lipoprotein, LDL, cholesterol. Research also indicates that saponins help lower blood lipid and blood cholesterol levels, which prevents damage to the heart and blood vessels. Number 5. Preventing cancer. Selenium is a mineral that is not present in most fruits and vegetables, but can be found in black beans. It plays a role in liver enzyme function and helps detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body. Additionally, selenium prevents inflammation and also decreases tumor growth rates. Saponins prevent cancer cells from multiplying and spreading throughout the body. Fiber intakes from fruits and vegetables, like black beans, are associated with a lowered risk of colorectal cancer. Black beans are high in folate, which plays a role in DNA synthesis and repair, thus preventing the formation of cancer cells from mutations in the DNA. Number 6. Healthy digestion. Because of their fiber content, black beans help to prevent constipation and promote regularity for a healthy digestive tract. Number 7. Weight loss and satiety. Dietary fiber is commonly recognized as an important factor in weight loss and weight management by functioning as a bulking agent in the digestive system. High-fiber foods increase satiety and reduce appetite, making you feel fuller for longer, and thereby lowering your overall calorie intake. Consuming fruits and vegetables of all kinds has long been associated with a reduced risk of many lifestyle-related health conditions. Many studies have suggested that increasing consumption of plant foods like black beans decreases the risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and overall mortality, while promoting a healthy complexion and hair, increased energy, and overall lower weight.